Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 7th April 2021. So this analysis and stock recommendation is for 7th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with a new list of stock for 8th April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular stock recommendation. And if you are interested in Forex trading also, you can check out the daily Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of currency pairs. I do currency analysis on daily basis as well. So let's jump to the list then. So this is the first stock for today. It's MFC, Manulife. For Manulife, you can see that the last traded price is 27.4. This is the last traded price. And as you can see that the stock is facing some pressure from above because there is a resistance at this particular level. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? Strategy is simple. If the stock crosses this level, okay, if the stock crosses 27 point where is my pencil? Okay, if the stock crosses 27.65 level, okay, then you need to buy. Okay. Considering the overall trend of the stock, there is no short call. Okay, only buy call for MFC. Buy above 27.65. Okay, in case there is a gap up open, wait for 15 to 30 minutes and just try to observe the market psychology. Just try to observe the market and observe the price. If you see that price is trading comfortably above 27.6 or 27.65 level for 15-30 minutes, then it's a clear indication that resistance has become the support now, and in that case you can easily go for a buy above this level. Okay, so this is the first stock. Let's jump to the second stock. It's TRP, TC Energy. For TC Energy, you can see that yesterday it has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern, and day before yesterday it has formed a pin bar kind of a pattern, and before that it has formed a kind of a hammer kind of a pattern. But one thing that is very common in last three candles is that there is some price rejection from below, which means that buyers are present in the market who are not allowing the price to go down. Okay, therefore, only buy call on this stock. Buy call above 59.20 level. Okay, so if you get the stock above 59.2 level, you can go for a buy. As I have mentioned in the previous stock, in case there's a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes. If the stock sustains above this level for 15-30 minutes, it's a buy. Okay, and your target will be 6060. Now let's jump to the third stock. It's one of my favorite stock. It's Toronto Dominion Bank, TD. Very good stock for overall investment. For TD, you can see that the last traded price is 83.45. Okay. So considering the overall trend of the market, very bullish, so no sell call, only buy call. So you can buy above 83.9. So this is the yesterday's high level. Okay, and considering the overall trend of the market, okay, this is the high price, and if the stock successfully crosses previous day's high, that is 83.82 level, we can easily go for a buy. So buy call on Toronto Dominion Bank above 83.9 or 83.85 also. It's up to you. And I would like to mention one thing, that all these stock recommendations are for today only. So these are for day trading purposes only, not for investment purpose. Okay. So do not mix up. So the next stock is AC, Air Canada. Air Canada, you can see that it has formed a beautiful green candle yesterday, and it has crossed the daily resistance, and the stock closed at 27.74 level. Overall, the trend of the stock is very beautiful. Okay, so buy above 28. It has made a high of 27.9 yesterday. So in case you get the stock above 28 level, you can go for a buy. No short call. The stock is beautiful uptrend. It has crossed the daily resistance also. The stock is very bullish. Bulls are there in the market who are trying to take the stock upward. Therefore, buy above 28 level. And the last stock for the day is PPL. Pembina pipeline. For Pembina pipeline, you can see that the last traded price is 37.04. This is the last traded price. And the stock has formed a hammer pattern, hammer kind of a pattern. Okay, and the stock has formed three consecutive hammer kind of a pattern with, sorry, we can see that the stock has, stock is showing us that there is some good price rejection from below. Okay, and we can see that in the last three candles. Okay, last three candles is clearly showing us that uh, the stock is very much bullish and it is not ready to go down. And we can see that the stock has almost closed at the day's high, which is also a very good sign and a bullish sign. So considering all these factors, considering the previous three candles and the price rejection from below, we will be bullish on the stock. We will be buying above 37.10 level. So if you get the stock above 37.10 level, it's a buy. Okay. In case there's a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes. If you see that the price is sustaining above 37.1 level, you can easily go for a buy level. Okay, so these are the 5 stocks for day trading on 27th April 2021. I'll come back tomorrow again with a new list of stocks for 8th April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular stock recommendation and market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.